Happy Planner Wednesday. Well, I have my 2020 planner out, and I am behind, but I love how girly it looks. I've already showed you in a haul what it looks like, so let's get to where we need to be. Okay, this spread is going to be from January the 13th through the 19th, okay? And after doing my flip through, I saw those girly images, and I have had these stickers for a while. I got them, I think, at, they're the Paper Studio. I think they're from Hobby Lobby or Joann's, one of the two. One of you told me once, and I can't remember, but they were $4.99, but they were 50% off when I got them. I got them probably in the fall sometime. I'm pretty sure I hauled them for you, but this is what they have on them. I thought they would be so cute to do a girly spread. And this is the paper that I've chosen. I got it out of a hot buy that I picked up at Michael's quite a while ago, and it just has the eyelashes, the cologne, the hearts, the sunglasses, the lipstick. It's just so girly, and even an eyeshadow palette. I love it. And then this just says bonjour, cheers, c'est la vie, gorgeous, happiness, and those shoes look great on you. So I love that. And then I'm going to incorporate this washi. Now I think I got this, I'm not sure where I got it, but it was quite a while ago. And check the stores out, because from time to time when different seasons come in, they do a clearance. And I got this whole tube of girly washi for like $3.99. It was a wonderful deal. And then I'm going to be using my Bic marking pens in Pink Flamingo and using those stickers. So let's go ahead and take my pages out of my planner. Okay, I want this paper to be the dominant paper of the spread, because it just looks so fun and just like girls just having a blast. So I'm going to cut it first. Doesn't really matter what you do, but I typically just do that. And then I love this one. I think it will incorporate nicely into the spread and just give that pop of color and fun that I'm looking for. It is just so humid here today. Oh. Okay, let's go ahead and put our paper down like we want it. I love those sunglasses. But I want to make sure, well, the way it cut, I do have sunglasses on each, so that's good. And I started off with well-painted nails, and they have chipped already. I can't believe it. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's put our paper down. I'm so excited to start Valentine DIYs next week. This is going to be so cute. I love how that's turning out, okay? So let's go ahead and put our washi down. And I just love this. It just has cameras on it with, I don't know, like little flowers on them. I think they are gorgeous. I didn't quite leave a long enough tail with that one. That is cute. See, this is another case in point. I think this is beautiful washi, but it doesn't tear like the one from Dollar Tree. It just kind of smushes. I really do like that. I'd probably never do that again. Get it right to there. Oh, goodness. And then we'll just come right down through here like I do a lot of the time. That is cute. I really, really like that, okay? I find it so relaxing to work in my planner. Like I've said before, it's just a creative outlet for me. And whatever you like and brings you happiness, when you're creating, hey, enjoy it. Okay, I like how that turned out. I love this washi, but I don't like how it cuts. That's the only bad thing about it, okay? So now, let's open up my stickers. And you get several of each. You get like several of the girls. Several girls just want to have fun. And then a couple of these. I think these are really cute. And then in this one, you get multiples as well. Have the sunglasses or glasses and the hello lovely and the lips and that. I just think these are so funny. Oh my gosh. Okay. So maybe we'll put hello lovely right here. Now these don't, you can use double-sided tape, glue, whatever you want. These don't have anything sticky on them, but they would be great for pocket letters, anything like that as well. Hello, lovely. I think that is adorable. And then maybe I'll put her right down here, kind of crooked, since I really don't write a whole lot on here. I just keep myself on track, like I said before, with the monthly part of this. I'm liking that so far. Okay, then this girl is just so cute. All right. And we will put her maybe right here. She's all snazzy. This is so cute. All right. And then this girl, where do I want to put her? Maybe I'll put her up in here. I don't think I'm going to get to use all of these stickers because you can see they're a nice size. I think I'll put her like right in here. She has her coffee and she has her purse and her flowers. Okay, and you definitely want to put girls just want to have fun. I think I'm going to put that. Let's see. I like this one right here. Kind of down and kind of like that, I think. That's adorable. Okay, now over here I need something. So, I might just put this right there. I like that there. This would be good decor for my room, my craft room. Which way do I like it? I think I want it this way. Okay, I love this. This is so fun. It makes me want to get in my planner every time I do something like this. Okay, let's just write down a few things to do on here. Okay, let's put my pages back inside my planner and take a look at this. But I love this spread. Okay, I love this spread, how it turned out. I think these stickers are so just on trend and very cute and girly, which I love. I love this washi. I'm not crazy about how it tears, but I love the effect that it gives in the spread. I think my paper works very nicely with everything and just sort of pulls everything together so nicely. Okay, now what I want to do, I had this in that same Hot Buy paper pad, and it just says, I'm not perfect, but my lipstick is. And I think that is hilarious. So I'm just going to put it right in here. And I think this totally completes the spread. It just looks so festive and just so, I don't know, when I look at it, I want to go get my makeup. It's hilarious. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.